If hearing aids make sounds louder, why doesn't hearing return to normal? One of the biggest questions I hear from patients is this: if hearing aids amplify sound, why doesn't my hearing come back exactly like it used to? That's a fantastic question, and the answer surprises almost everyone. Hearing loss isn't simply about turning the volume down, it's about losing information. Imagine trying to read your favorite book, but someone erased every fourth letter on every page. Could you still read it? Probably, but much more slowly. You'd have to fill in the missing pieces. Now imagine every third letter disappeared, then every other letter. Eventually, the words stop making sense. Now let me ask you another question. Would making the page brighter restore the missing letters? Of course not. The problem isn't the brightness of the page. The problem is that some of the information is gone. That's exactly what happens with many types of hearing loss. Now imagine taking that same page and making the font smaller and smaller and smaller. Eventually, you can still tell there are words on the page, but the details begin disappearing. An M starts looking like an N. A B starts looking like a D. Everything becomes blurrier. Making the page brighter still doesn't restore those details. It simply makes blurry letters brighter. That's very similar to what hearing aids used to do years ago. Now imagine something different. Picture 8 people standing on a football field. They're spread far apart. Finding one specific person is easy. Now imagine you're standing on the 50-yard line during a sold-out football game. Your best friend is somewhere in the stands. Can you find them? Of course, but it takes much more time and effort because there is simply so much visual information competing for your attention. That's exactly what happens when you're sitting in a noisy restaurant. Your ears are hearing all of the sounds, but your brain has a much harder job separating the conversation you want from everything else happening around you. Your brain already knows what your spouse's voice sounds like. The challenge isn't recognizing it. The challenge is separating it from everything else. This is why hearing aid technology has evolved so dramatically. Manufacturers aren't simply trying to make things louder anymore. They're trying to separate sounds, reduce competing noise, preserve speech, increase what engineers call the signal-to-noise ratio. The greater the separation between speech and background noise, the easier it becomes for your brain to organize and interpret what it's hearing. Instead of simply amplifying everything, modern hearing aids are constantly analyzing your listening environment, trying to make speech stand out from the noise. Then something remarkable begins happening. Your brain starts becoming more efficient. Voices become more familiar. Environmental sounds become less distracting. Speech becomes easier to follow. Not because the hearing aid fixed your ears, but because it's delivering cleaner, more organized sound information to your brain. Over time, your brain becomes more efficient at interpreting that information. That's why we tell patients, success with hearing aids isn't a single appointment, it's a process. The technology delivers better information. Your brain becomes better at making sense of that information. And together, that's how hearing improves. The goal isn't simply louder hearing. The goal is better understanding. Because hearing isn't just about your ears. It's about your brain making sense of sound. Hearing aids don't restore normal hearing. They restore access to sound. Your brain does the rest. And that's why hearing rehabilitation is a process, not a product. If this video helped you understand hearing differently, imagine what a personalized hearing rehabilitation plan could do for you. If you're here in our community, we'd love the opportunity to help. And if you're watching from somewhere else, don't worry, reach out anyway. We're happy to answer your questions, point you toward reliable resources, and help you understand what to look for when choosing a hearing care provider. Because the goal isn't simply finding someone who sells hearing aids. It's finding someone who understands hearing. Someone who verifies the technology. Someone who coaches you through the rehabilitation process. Someone who's committed to helping you hear your very best. The hearing aid matters. The person fitting it matters even more. Because the right provider doesn't just fit hearing aids, they help people reconnect with life.